started Zoom. What I'm thinking of doing is, unless you guys have something very specific to go through, for example, within the previous class I just had, the students had a few questions about the compound interest part two section that we did. So we went through that with them, and then afterwards I went through homework. So if you guys have anything specific that you want to go through, let's do that. Otherwise, we'll go through the homework.
Can we go through bearings, like true bearings and compass bearings?
Is that based off this, or is that like your school stuff?
That's my school stuff.
All right. I'm happy to go through it just really quickly. Sure. So tell me more. So give me some context.
So, it's on a Cartesian plane and there's 3 points and
No, no,
in
no. As in, like, what is it specifically that you needed help with?
like how to find the bearing from one point to another.
Okay, cool. Yeah, initially it's a bit like confusing to like understand bearings, but then afterwards it's actually like really, really easy. So let's just choose a random 2 points. So let's just do this point here and then this point here. How do I figure this out? You draw, you can do it in any manner, but I just like to visualize it like this. I assume that's a center point, and then I draw a line there. Oops, connecting it. And I figure out how many degrees from true north to that location is. Do you get it?
So like
So do you have a worksheet or a screenshot that you could share? For example, last week Dev did that. I think it'll be a bit more easier for me to go through.
yeah, I have a photo of it.
Perfect.
Right. Yeah, only the host can share in the meeting.
Oh, okay. You want to screen share? Let's do that. The problem with screen share, Nicola, is we won't be able to annotate on top of it. So if you send me a screenshot or a link of it, I can put it up on the screen for you.
Like not letting us like go to the chat.
Okay, so it's because you have to choose my specific name. So I'll send you a message. Do you see my name in blue?
Yeah.
Yeah, so if you click that, you can text me.
It says the chat is disabled.
Yeah, but do you see my message? The
Yeah.
message I just sent? So if you click my specific name in blue, you can message me.
Okay.
There's the photo.
Oh. I sent them to you.
Okay. All right, let's see. I think it's still loading. What we'll do, Nicola, is we'll do it at the end. We'll get started off with the homework, and then maybe towards the end I can take some time, or after the class I can stay back for a bit and go through with you.
Okay.
All right. So have you guys done the homework already? Albert, Isaac,
No,
Nicola,
I've done most
Albert?
of it.
Good man. Okay, question number one. What do you think the answer is, Isaac?
Yeah, it is. It's because, uh, wait, no, it's not linear because it's quadratic.
Perfect. Yeah. We have an indice here or an exponent, and therefore it's not going at a linear rate of increase. So yep, it's not a linear equation. All right, question number B, Albert. Albert, please, you can stay unmuted. There's no need for you to mute. So what do you think?
Oh, I got m equals -4 and the y-intercept is 0 and 7.
How do you find that out?
I just for the gradient, I just did y equals mx plus c and m equals -4. And
Perfect.
for the y-intercept, I just usually c is the y-intercept, so yeah.
Perfect. Yep. Do you guys understand? All good with that?
Yep.
Nicola?
Yeah.
Awesome. Question number C. What's the answer?
Wait, who are you asking? Me and
Anyone.
oh,
Anyone.
how many? Two.
2. Do you agree with that, Nicola? Disagree?
Yeah.
D. Why can't both A and B be equal to 0 at the same time in the general form of a linear equation, ax plus by plus c equals 0? What do you think? Why not? Dave? Sorry, Isaac?
Is it because like if it's not they have to be like real numbers because if they're 0, that means well if they're 0, yeah, that means it's just gonna cancel out. It's just gonna like go across.
Oh, sorry, one sec, guys. Yeah, sorry. Dave, you were saying that they would cancel each other out, and?
They wouldn't exist. Like it would just like X or Y would just like not be in the equation if they're equal to 0. Like you couldn't really make an equation.
Okay. Isaac, sorry, Nicola, what do you think? Do you agree with Dave? Do you disagree, or do you not understand?
I agree.
Tell me more. Why?
Because if A and B are both 0, then C is 0.
C is 0. Good. And then
And
what
that's
would the
equation.
thing look like? Sorry?
And that's not an equation.
Yeah. So I guess well, let me ask you guys this. Let me ask you this. I want you to send it in the chat, or I'll ask you individually. What if I say, what if I rephrase this and I say that why can A or B be equal to 0 in the general form of a linear equation? So do you think you can have an equation? Send it in the chat. As in this equation would still work if A was 0 or B was 0. Or do you think it also wouldn't work then? It would cancel each other out.
Does that mean that the other one has to be 0 or can it be a different one as well?
Yeah, so my new question is if the general equation was like ax plus by plus c is 0, right?
Yeah.
Can you still have a linear equation if either a or b is equal to 0? A or b is equal to 0. Can you still have a linear equation?
Where do I write that?
In the chat. So directly to me. Okay. And then tell me your reasoning why. Nicola, what do you think?
No, because you need both variables to make a linear equation.
What about you, Albert?
No, because you need both variables to make a linear equation, and also if both variables are 0, it's just gonna be 1 point and that's like the origin, so
Good. Well, I like the fact that you said that the other one will be 1 point, but let me tell you what happens. So if a is 0, right? Let's see what happens. A is 0, and then let's just say b was 4, and c is equal to 0. How would we rewrite this equation? So it would be 4y plus c is equal to 0. 4y, actually, and then c was, let's just say c was 3 or something. 3. 4y is equal to -3. Y is equal to -3 over 4. Is this a linear equation?
Yeah,
Why is this a linear equation, Nicola?
because you can make a straight line on a graph.
Yep, and what would it look like?
The y the y point no the y line would be on -3/4 on the y
It would just be a
like
flat line like this, right?
yeah.
Perfect. So back to the question again to you guys. Can we still have a linear equation if either A or B was negative? I mean, it was a 0.
Yeah.
Yeah, but they both can't be 0, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Awesome. Find the x-intercept and y-intercept and the slope from this graph. Send me in the chat what the x-intercept, y-intercept, and the slope is. Yeah, okay. What's the x-intercept? That's super easy. What is it, Arvind?
0, 0, and the y-intercept's also 0, 0.
I don't know how schools want you guys to say this these days, but x-intercept is see at the x-intercept, right? The
Yeah.
x value is always 0, right?
Yeah.
Actually, no, sorry. Yeah, just say 0, 0. And what's the y-intercept?
0, 0, and the equation is y equals x.
Yep, 0, 0. The equation is not y is equal to x.
What?
It looks like it, but it isn't. Because if
Oh,
at
oh,
1,
oh, yeah,
1,
yeah, I see it. It's y
yep,
equals 2/3x. I think, no,
rise over
like
1.
4/3x. Yep.
Yep. 4 over 3?
3/2x, sorry. I
Yep.
messed up.
Yeah, that's okay. 3 over 2x plus 0. Cancel that out. Yeah. Do you guys understand?
Yeah.
Yes.
Determine whether the point 1, -1 is a solution to the system of linear equations. Y is equal to x and 2x plus y is equal to 1. Complete this and send it in the chat to me.
Wait, so is that just saying if they intercept or not?
Mm,
Like if that's the point of intersection.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Yep. I did.
Yeah, I sent it.
Okay. So I got an answer from Albert. Got it from Isaac. Just waiting for Nicola.
Sent it.
Nicola, I'm not sure if you're sending it to me because I didn't get the previous image as well. And I didn't get, excuse me, this as well. Let's see. Lost me. Are you getting my messages, Nicola?
Yeah,
So click my name.
I did.
Yep. And then type in a message. Just type in hi, see if it works.
Yeah, I did.
I'm not getting your messages. That's so weird. Does it show up as sent?
Yeah.
Can you react to a message of mine?
It's because there's two Melville Toms.
Yeah, but
One's
she
co-host
sh
and one's host.
yeah, she should be texting the other one because
It should be the host.
yeah, the other one wouldn't be getting
Reacted
any
to it.
messages. Oh, you okay, so you added me and then yeah. Okay. Yeah, so Nicola, it's a wrong one. You just to the other one. You're sending me a DM on this. Can you guys DM each other? So for example, Albert, can you DM Nicola?
No.
No, right? Yeah, but for some reason,
Mm.
Nicola can send me a message.
I think it's because you co-host.
Okay. All right. So choose the other Melvin, Nicola, and then send a message. Okay. Moving on to the next question. Let's take a look. Yeah, so sorry, this question. So, what's the first step?
You substitute.
Sorry.
You substitute.
Okay, tell me.
So you just you can use equation one, y is equal to negative x, substitute it into equation two, 2x plus y, so it just become 2x plus negative x in the brackets. It's just 2x minus x is equal to 1. And then you use x is equal to 1 and substitute it into equation 1, which is just y is equal to negative x. So it's y is equal to negative 1, meaning 1 and negative 1 are correct.
All right, slow down. Let's do it step by step. So, what did you want to do first?
You substitute equation 1 into equation 2,
Yeah. So, are you replacing x or y?
y.
Okay. 2x negative what x is equal to 1.
Yeah. So
X
then
is equal to 1.
yeah. And then
Yep.
you substitute that into equation 1 to find what
Yep.
y is equal to.
Yep. Y is equal to negative 1. Perfect. Matches that. Awesome. That's what you said. Albert, send me similar-ish answer. Nicola, I didn't see your answer, but is this how you did it?
Yeah, similar.
Okay. All right. Question number H is super easy. I is super easy. J is super easy. But just send me your answers for J. Do you guys have the worksheet in front of you, or do you need my screen?
I have the worksheet
I
in
have
front of
it.
me.
Okay. Good job, Isaac. Waiting on you, Albert. And Nicola.
I sent mine.
Same.
It's not a complete answer. So Nicola, you haven't sent me a complete answer. Albert, I haven't got yours, so you might have sent it to the other person, other Melvin.
Okay, I'll just resend it.
I haven't got it, Albert.
Yeah, I'm retyping it now.
Oh, okay.
Sent it.
Okay. So the only answer that I will get full marks is Isaac's. And it's not because either Nicola or Albert were wrong. The main issue is you guys have to understand, okay, this is a 3-mark question. And what is a question asking? It says find the slope of each line. Both Nicola and Albert did not send me the slope, right? So the slope of line 1 is what?
-2.
Yep, over 1, which is -2. Good. And the slope of line 2 is?
2.
Good. 2 over 1, 2. So this gets 1 mark, this gets another mark. You have to show both. Now, which of them has a steeper slope?
Neither.
Because they're both?
The same.
Yeah. Although one is negative, right? Imagine you have to climb a hill. Is it steeper to climb the hill up this way, or is it steeper to climb it up this way?
Same.
Yeah. Do you guys understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I want you guys to try question number K. I think K is a really good question. Send your answer in the chat.
Um, Alvin,
Yeah, I've seen it.
after we go through this, can I have a
Mhm.
question for week 1's on?
Yeah,
Because in
sounds
the
good.
answer key it does it differently, but like when I
Okay.
get full marks for the way I did it, that's
All right, sounds good. I'll have it open as well. While I wait for Albert and Nicola.
Oh, I don't know if this is right.
Give it a go.
I've done it. Sent it.
Yep. So let me just open that up. Okay, let's see. Good. Albert, you got it. Nicola, what do you think?
I'm almost done.
Okay.
I sent mine.
Okay, all right. So starting off, Albert, could you tell me what does it mean for something? What does it mean in just linear equations? What does it mean to have a line with a solution? What does that mean? Hello?
Oh, sorry, I was on mute. The
Yeah.
intersections.
Yeah, intersections, right? Where they meet each other, right?
Yeah.
So, Nicola, what does it mean for something to have an infinite number of intersections?
It's the same line.
Perfect. Good job. That's amazing that all of you guys picked that up. Good. So, most of you got it correct. So just quick, I think the person who got it incorrect was just like a silly mistake because all three of you understood the concept. So, what's the gradient here?
1.
Yeah, 1 over 1. Mx plus c. M is 1. And then what's the intercept?
0, 1, so it's just 1 as well.
Yeah, so y is equal to x plus 1.
1.
Yeah. All right. Um, so that's graph the line, find the line parallel to it, draw its graph. Okay, could I get you guys to skip graphing the line and just do part 2 here, please?
I've sent it.
Could you send it again? I think you sent it to the wrong person.
Yep.
Good. Nicola, are you stuck or are you typing?
Are we doing I?
No, I. Can I go through it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So, Nicola, I think I might ask you to help me out then. What does it mean if a line is parallel to another line?
It has the same gradient.
Good. Awesome. Did you guys do this like last year or something? How are you guys so good at it?
Oh, we already did it in school.
Yeah, we did it
Okay.
like a long time ago.
This is the exact
Perfect.
topic we're doing in tests next week.
Perfect. That's awesome. Yeah, so good job for picking that up as well, Nicola. So if it has the same gradient, we know that y is equal to um like y is equal to mx plus c. We know straight away what m is. So the gradient for this one is what? 4y is equal to negative 2x plus 1. Y is equal to negative 2 over 4x plus 1. Y is equal to negative 1 over 2x plus 1. Right? So
Plus
what's the gradient?
0.25.
Oh, sorry, divide both sides by 4. Yeah. So what's the gradient, Nicola?
Minus 2 over 4.
Simplify that.
Minus
If you
2.
simplify, No.
Oh, minus 1/2.
Yeah. So we know that that's a gradient. Now it says the y-intercept is 4. So what's C?
4.
Yep. So that's it. So the answer is that. So I think yep, Isaac got it and Albert got it as well. Good job, guys. Awesome. So last 15 minutes. You wanted to go through last week's question and then we can go through bearing. Which question did you want to go through?
I think it was 1GI because the marking key did it differently than I did.
Is it this one?
Yeah, for math though.
Math. 1DI.
No, what's in the
Find
home is in the normal one.
Wait, last week was this, but then why did we do compound interest last week?
We didn't.
Did we do this with you guys? Oh yeah, finding. Okay. Yeah, my bad, my bad. I'm just mixing up the year 6s and the 7s. Um, so yeah, which
Oh,
question
it's
was it?
2DI, sorry.
Which question set?
Question set 2.
Question set 2DI.
Because in the marking key you use midpoint, but I use gradient, so would I get full marks still?
All right, let me see. So the midpoint of a line segment of AB is 1, -2. One end of the segment is -1, -1. Show the line OAB, where O is the origin, is a right angled triangle using the slope. So tell me what you did.
I found out the gradient from M to A, which was -1/-2.
So M to
A.
A. Yep.
Yeah, and then I
Okay,
just
so if
replicated it on
I
the
just
other
want to
side by adding
visual
it.
sorry, I just
Like,
want to quickly visualize it. Ball pen. Sorry, why is this not? Okay, so we have AB is 1, -2. So AB is there. A is -1, 1. Yeah, and then M is 1, -2. Yeah, so that's MA. That's the midpoint. And then the other end. So here is B. Okay. And so to tell me what you did.
I found the gradient from M to A, so I just did rise over run, which was just obviously 1/-2,
Okay.
and then I replicated it on the other side by using XY minus the gradient rise run. I just made it into like not like coordinates, but like it was just like it was y minus 1 and x plus 2.
Wait, what do you mean the other side? Are you talking about point B?
Yeah, coordinate B. To find coordinate B,
Yep.
from M, I did -2 -1 and 1 plus 2 because of the gradient. So I just reversed the gradient to figure it out. And
So
I got the
okay,
correct answer
so
though.
yeah, so okay, so you go, yeah. So are you saying, for example, to do find B, did you say, just to clarify, you said that because the run was 2, you went across by 2, is that what you're saying?
Yeah,
Okay, yeah, that works. And then because the rise was negative, how much is it? 3? No,
-2.
-2. So A is wrong here, right? Why?
And it's just
Yeah, A is below. So let me move that down. A was supposed to be -1, -1. Okay. So yeah, it's rise was -1. So you just did -1, -2. Okay. Yeah, that works for finding out B.
yeah,
Go
would I
on.
get like full marks for it? Because in the marking guide it said like it used midpoint.
I mean the question didn't specify find midpoint, but you are talking about part I, right?
Yeah, part I, like
Yeah,
in
yeah.
the marking key, they used midpoint to find it. So will I
Yeah.
still get full marks if I show my working with
Yeah,
this?
absolutely. Yeah, why not? That's totally fine. And the question is specified for that's totally cool.
Okay.
All right. Any other questions you want to go through?
No.
Okay. Do you want to go through true bearing now then, Nicola? Do you want to send that to me on this message so I can put it up here?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Actually, oh, you guys can see my chats here, right? Okay. Wait, this is your thing. No, yeah, you haven't sent me the.
I sent it to you, but it's loading. Oh, okay, I sent it.
Okay. Why is my screen not working? Okay. Wait, but this is the investigation, right? Is this about true bearings?
Yeah, it's about true bearings and linear equations.
Okay, gotcha. So specifically, what did you need help with on this one?
So for A and B,
Yep.
I don't understand how to find the true bearing from A to O.
So let me just open this up. Um, if you guys want to leave, Albert and Isaac, you're more than welcome to do so.
Okay, thank you.